So here's my Xiaomi phone, and it's running Evolution X instead of Xiaomi's Hyper OS. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can install Evolution X on pretty much any phone out there without needing TWRP or root access. As you can see right here, my phone is running Evolution X based on Android 14. What you're getting is pure stock Android without any bloatware whatsoever. It comes with a really clean and beautiful interface. You'll also get all the amazing features that come with custom ROMs, including themes, lock screen customization, status bar tweaks, and literally tons of customization options. But here's the best part about this setup. If I head over to Miscellaneous and then Component Spoofing, you'll notice a feature called Play Integrity Fix, which means you can actually run all your banking apps on this ROM without any issues. Plus, you'll get higher FPS settings for gaming and much more. But we're not done yet. If I navigate to System Settings and then Treble Settings, you'll be able to see and manage hardware-level device-specific settings like VoLTE, Double Tap to Wake, and a whole lot more. It also comes with a built-in updater, which means you'll receive system updates just like you would on stock Android. It even has that incredible circle to search feature that you see on modern Android phones, and the camera experience is good, though not quite the best. For even better camera performance, you can always install Google Camera on this. So based on my testing, we can definitely use this version of Evolution X as a daily driver. It's completely bloatware-free, super battery efficient, and incredibly smooth. So that's the complete walkthrough of this setup. Now let's dive into how you can install it on your own phone. For this example, I'm using the Xiaomi Poco F4. But after watching this video, you'll be able to install Evolution X on virtually any phone. This phone is currently running on Hyper OS based on Android 13. To install Evolution X on any phone, the first thing you'll need to do is enable developer options. On Xiaomi devices, you have to tap on the MIUI version several times, but on other phones, you'll need to tap on the build number instead. After enabling developer options, head over to Additional Settings and open Developer Options. Then enable USB debugging. Now my phone is showing that OEM is already unlocked. To install Evolution X on any phone, you absolutely have to unlock your bootloader first. I've created multiple detailed videos on how to unlock the bootloader for every brand, including Samsung, Moto, Nothing, Pixel, and many more. Make sure to watch those videos to unlock your bootloader properly. Now we need to download and install an app called Treble Info. I'll provide a direct download link in the video description below. If this app shows generic image found, that means you can install Evolution X OS on your phone. Almost every phone released after Android 11 supports Project Treble. If your phone is supported, simply click on the Browse button. This will open up a GitHub repository where you'll find various GSI images available. And here's something cool, not only Evolution X, but you can also install pure Android 16 AOSP, Pixel OS, Lineage OS, and other Android versions. You can install all of them using the exact same method that I'm demonstrating in this video. In this video, we're installing Evolution X. So go ahead and click on Evolution X, and it'll open up the Evolution X GSI page. Now from here, you'll see three different options. We're going to proceed with the first option because we want the complete package with all the features. After downloading the correct GSI image, transfer it over to your PC. Now let's jump into the PC part of the process. Before installing the GSI image, you need to download and set up platform tools from the Android developer's website. These tools allow your PC to communicate with your phone properly. You'll also need to install the official Android USB drivers so your computer can correctly detect the phone in both ADB and fastboot modes. You'll also need to download your phone's official firmware. Since I'm using a Xiaomi phone in this video, I'm downloading my firmware from the Xiaomi Firmware Updater site. Similarly, you can download firmware for other brands. Samsung firmware from the SamFW site, Moto and Lenovo from Lolanet. You'll always be able to find firmware for pretty much every phone out there. But keep in mind, always make sure to download the fastboot firmware. So I've downloaded everything we need: the USB drivers, platform tools, device firmware, and the Evolution X GSI. Now select all of them and extract them. You can also extract them one by one if you prefer. Extraction is complete. Let me delete these zip files to clear up the mess. First, navigate to the extracted USB drivers folder, right-click on the WinUSB file, and install it. Once that's done, create a new folder where we'll put the GSI and other necessary files. Now transfer the extracted GSI image file into that folder. Next, go to your device firmware folder. Since this is fastboot firmware, you'll find all the files inside the images folder. Open up the images folder and copy the vbmeta file from there. Then save it in the same folder where we just placed the GSI file. Now open the extracted platform tools folder. Inside this directory, type CMD in the address bar. This will open up a command prompt window. Now connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable and type ADB devices. Your phone will prompt you to allow ADB execution. Go ahead and allow it. Once that's done, type ADB reboot fastboot. This will boot your device into fastboot D mode. Now on older devices, there's no such thing as fastboot D mode. In that case, your phone will simply reboot back to the main Android system. For those devices, you'll need to use bootloader mode instead by using this command, ADB reboot bootloader. Alright, my phone has successfully booted into fastboot D mode. Now type the fastboot devices command to verify your device connection. Once that's confirmed, type fastboot erase system to clear up the space needed for GSI installation. After that, type fastboot flash system, then drag and drop the extracted Evolution X GSI image file into the command prompt. And hit enter. This will start the flashing process. Now on some devices, you might encounter a storage error, just like what's showing up in my case here. To resolve this, you need to run the command fastboot delete logical partition product _A exactly like I'm doing right now. After executing this command, you can flash the GSI using the same fastboot flash system command. This will resize your system partition and begin flashing the GSI. If you're still getting an error at this point, just drop a comment down below and I'll help you out. Once the system flashing is completed, we need to flash the vbmeta file just like I'm doing here. Type fastboot disable verity, then fastboot disable verification, then fastboot flash vbmeta, and then drag and drop the vbmeta file. Once vbmeta is flashed successfully, type fastboot erase metadata. After that, type fastboot erase user data. Once that's all done, reboot your phone by typing fastboot reboot. On the first boot, your device might take a little bit of time to start up, so just be patient with it. I'm fast-forwarding this part of the video to keep things moving. And there you have it. As you can see, my phone has successfully booted into Evolution X GSI without any issues whatsoever. If you found this video informative, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more in-depth tech guides and tutorials.